F30 sunscreen all over our face for hyperpigmentation. And this is really going to help clear up hyperpigmentation. And hyperpigmentation is uneven skin tone, for those of you who don't know. If you have that uneven skin, acne, you know how sometimes acne oftentimes leaves a mark that is unwanted, like a pink mark, depending on your skin tone. And it really can be a damper on your day when you cannot fade that skin tone. The uneven pigmentation. We all have our skin issues. Sunscreen is going to help many, many skin issues. I'm telling you, 80% of 80% of skin issues come from not using sunscreen. So this broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen is going to be really nice for the dark skinned people out there because it does not leave a white cast. This does not burn the eyes. This does not burn my eyes, I should say. Because each sunscreen is gonna burn everybody eyes. Some people never get eye burns. Some people, the sunscreens that they like that say that don't burn their eyes burn mine. I have sensitive eyes. These don't. This one doesn't burn mine. But like I said, I can't promise you it won't burn your eyes. But that's really the only downside of sunscreen, other than the fact that you have to reapply it consistently and daily. But I, at this point, have learned how to stay consistent, and now I'm able to get the benefits of the sunscreen, and I wanted to share that with you. Remember, get oh, look, I'm picking my nose and then going back up my eyes. There's you can't see. Let me flip the camera. There's gnats all over. So I'm really just trying to like get them out of my nose, my hair. They're sticking on my skin because I have all this sunscreen on. It's a cluster. It's a cluster mess. We just got off live. The show got cut off just because like I have my phone in the camera and it's a new phone. So I actually was blaming my other phone, even though that was a new phone. I was blaming my other phone for cutting out a lot. But apparently it must be when there's a lot of people on the live stream, sometimes it cuts out. It must have been me in the sun. I'm always trying to figure out these little quirks, you know? So, anyways, the live stream is over. I appreciate you guys. Our last live stream is obviously over, but I appreciate you guys watching our last live stream. I think we got about 20K views live. I think it was about 20K. Last time I looked, it was 18K live. So I appreciate you guys for all your support, all your love. If you ever need any sunscreen advice, come over to ChocolateSugi's. We got sunscreen tips, skincare tips. Get ready with me live daily at ChocolateSugi's. I love you, foodies. Live shows daily every evening and morning. Oh, I love you for watching. Bye.